Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Missouri Department of Revenue for tax payments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Missouri Department of Revenue for tax payments, begin by visiting their official website. Locate the tax payments section on the homepage. Click on the option for online tax payments. You will be directed to a new page with authentication options. Select the Authenticate button to proceed. You will need to provide your Social Security number or your business tax identification number. Enter your date of birth for individual accounts. For business accounts, input the business name and the associated federal employer identification number. Once the necessary information is entered, click on the Submit button. If the information is correct, you will be granted access to your tax account. Review your account details presented on the next screen. To proceed with tax payments, select the amount you wish to pay. Follow the prompts to enter payment details, including your bank account information or credit card. Before finalizing the transaction, double-check all entered information for accuracy. Finally, confirm the payment and wait for the confirmation message. You can also print or save the confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues, check the help section on the website for troubleshooting assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.